You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is I equals -4/13. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all I terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 18i from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 4 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the I. Divide both sides by -13. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is I equals -4/13.